Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here. Please watch my videos to the end. They're short and it helps me keep making videos. Today, we're making French bread pizza. Not that kind that's a soggy mess either. This has the right amount of crunch, chewiness, and piece of goodness we all love. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We're going to start off by chopping some clean, fresh, flat leaf parsley and setting that aside. We have a pot over medium-low heat, and inside we have olive oil and butter. To this, we're going to add some minced garlic, making sure to get all that garlic goodness inside. Next up, some crushed red chili flakes, Italian seasoning, half of that parsley we chopped earlier, and we're going to give it a little stir. A few twists of freshly ground black pepper, and some kosher salt goes in. We're going to cook and stir this for a couple of minutes. We remove half of the garlic butter and olive oil mixture and set it aside. We have added crushed tomatoes and tomato paste to our pot. We're going to stir this up really well, incorporating that garlic, butter, and olive oil into the tomatoes. Then, bring this to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Cooking the sauce really deepens the flavor, just making it more delicious. This will be a great time to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Yo, grab Chef Kendra's kitchen cookbook. The link is high up in the description below. Finish the video first, then go buy the book, son. Eat it. Now we've cut a fluffy loaf of French bread in half. We're cutting it in half down the middle too. Next, using a pan or your nice clean hands, squish the bread down just until it's half the height it was before. See the difference? I'm trying a new uncured pepperoni, but use any brand you're into. Now I like to put my pepperonis on some paper towel and throw it in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds to remove some of the grease. You do you. Now we're spreading our reserve oil over our bread. A pastry brush will be optimum here. We're doing this to keep our French bread pizza from being soggy. Now we're going to sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese. Toss in the oven and bake for 5 to 8 minutes, just until the cheese starts to melt. Then remove them. Add some of the sauce we hooked up earlier to each piece, just like so. Add another layer of mozzarella cheese to these guys. Add the pepperoni slices. Bake off for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese melts and begins to turn a little brown. Sprinkle on a little Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle with reserved parsley and drizzle on a little olive oil if you want. Yo, for this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Hey fam, that's all for this time, but I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.